Casual Crypto Investor family. It is the Casual Crypto Investor. I hope everyone is having a happy and relaxing, chill Sunday. I know I am, but I wanted to make some content today. I'm going to try to make two videos today. One in regards to XRP. We have some news of a potential 60,000 XRP from the media outlet, financial outlet Forbes. I don't know if you guys seen that but if you haven't, I have some information in regards to that. But before we get into that, let's just take a look at the overall crypto market. Currently, right now, we're at a $1.59 trillion market cap. So we did fall between that below that $1.6 trillion market cap that we did see most of this week. Bitcoin is currently down on the 7-day at 4.02%, sitting at $42,000. Ethereum is currently up right now, sitting at 22.31 or 30, fluctuating in between that. And then XRP right now, I'm loving this price right now. I picked up some more XRP this morning. Potentially, for me right now, anything below 65 is definitely a buy for me. So sitting at that 61 cent range, even if it falls below 59, I'll probably pick up some more. But yeah, I'm loving this 60. I'm liking this pullback right now, this price reduction, because I think XRP has a lot of potential, especially coming up in 2024. And so, yeah, I'm definitely getting my bags, continue to stack my bags. This is going to probably be more for, I have a couple of bags. One of them is just more so for profit taking, and then the other one is just for hodling. So yeah, that's kind of like my strategy with XRP. So I'm gonna sell off some when it hits certain price targets that I want, or that I foresee, and then I'm gonna just have a bag just to hold and just ride out the wave. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. So let's get into this article real quick. This is not going to be a long video, but hopefully it'll be a strong video. Forbes, right? I mean, we're all familiar with Forbes magazine. If you have any inkling or had, read an article in the financial space, Forbes is a huge media resource. But Forbes declares a projection of nearly 60,000 for XRP, confirmation from Google and Bing. So I'm loving that, right? Do I think XRP will go to 60,000? Maybe. I mean, it's going to take probably a while. It just really depends on how much adoption comes with XRP and how many people actually use the ledger and all that kind of stuff. But I definitely think XRP has the potential to do it, but I don't know if it's going to be it's definitely not going to be a next year thing, but over time it potentially could, right? As we've seen with other cryptos, right? Like Bitcoin, right? So let's get into this article. It says, in the dynamic realm of cryptocurrencies, each news snippet, rumor, and forecast bears substantial significance. Recently, the XRP community was abuzz with an anticipation due to a mysterious Forbes article projecting an astonishing surge for XRP, possibly reaching an impressive $59,000, which is just insane, right? And so Microsoft, on their Bing platform, they saw it, and then also on the Google Bard's platform too as well. Moving on, though, adding a chronological perspective to the evolving story, Google Bard AI provided its take on the situation. Bard corroborated Bing's assertion that Forbes indeed published an article titled "The New Bitcoin is XRP" and is headed to $59,000, dated September 21, 2023. So this year, right? I tried to search for the article. Of course, you can't find it because they took it down for whatever reason, but we'll get into that. Some members of the XRP community remain skeptical about the publication date. Okay. In terms of the article's content, Bard's description aligned with Bing's account. Both chatbots emphasize that the article boldly predicts XRP's ascent to the remarkable price of $59,000, right? The factors supporting this bullish forecast included the increasing adoption of RippleNet, growing interest from institutional investors, and the overall positive sentiment in the cryptocurrency market, right? Notably, Forbes has remained silent on the matter. The mysterious article, according to Bard, was sponsored by a crypto investment firm, raising questions about its credibility and motivation. So I guess really, in layman's terms, basically Forbes didn't really feel like maybe the article was credible for whatever reason, right? For whatever reason, right? We've seen tons of articles that have people saying that XRP could hit 100,000 and 60,000 and 50,000 and 20,000 and 10,000 and all this kind of stuff, right? Some of these statements have come from people that are in the financial industry, people that are in the business world, all kind of stuff, right? But it's interesting that the narrative. It's just funny to me, though. I'm a little bit biased because I am a fan of XRP. Bitcoin. Do I have some? Not really. I mean, I really don't. Um, I really don't invest in Bitcoin too much. I know I probably should, but I look for more of the other altcoins. I look for more of the things like the XRPs, the Stellars, the Cardanos, because my money can go a little bit further with those, and the return could be potentially greater with those types of altcoins, those utility tokens, versus putting $500 in a Bitcoin that only gives me a fraction of a Bitcoin, right? You know what I'm saying? But I definitely think that over time, I think the narrative will change as more adoption does come with XRP. I mean, they're already connected with so many banks, and they're going to be growing as a company and as a cryptocurrency too as well. I think it's only a matter of time. Because it's almost kind of compared to like technology, man. I mean, like, back in the day, the home movie scene was a big phase, right? When I was a kid, renting movies at Blockbuster. But now, I mean, you have Netflix, you have all these streaming services, and some of them are free. You know what I'm saying? So you don't have to pay to watch any of your favorite movies outside of paying for the internet or whatever. So technology things, waves change, and I think XRP has a lot of upside. I've seen articles where it said it's outperformed Bitcoin in terms of returns and gains and all that kind of stuff. I just think I'd rather put my money and buy a whole bunch of XRP than Bitcoin because I feel like my investment can get better returns by doing that. So that's just my opinion. But let me know in the comments what you think. What's your take on it? Are you guys still investing in Bitcoin? Are you more XRP? Where your heads at? Where your heads at when it comes to that? Do you think Bitcoin has a media machine behind it? I definitely think it does. But let me know in the comments what you think. Also, too, as well, quick shameless plug. If you are not already, feel free to follow me on my Twitter page. I'm at 170 followers, trying to shoot for 200 followers. And it's a great way for you to stay in contact with me. And look forward to connecting with each and every one of you. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.